So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 19th of January. Now let's have a look at what prices and where they might potentially go into the Friday here. So let's just grab this here. So we saw prices came down towards this this level marked out here on the charts, 1020. We've had prices come back up to this major level in around this 1073. We've oscillated around 1073 before we saw this upside break above the 111 level. We had continuation. We were expecting price head towards that 1160, the next major level marked out here in red. We turned around before we even reacted to the 200 period moving average here marked out in blue. Now we do appear to be having a price contraction squeeze developing here. What I mean by that is, I suppose if we do get I suppose we could get a trend line on the charts, but as we can see here, we are posting lower highs, but we have got support down here as well at the 1073. We also have the moving average coming down, providing potential dynamic resistance. So if we continue to get prices coming down into this level and 1073 does hold, potential upside break beyond the 111 and a move up towards that 1160, possibly depending on the market volatility. We might move beyond even 1160 and head up towards that 1215. We have to be aware of the 400 period moving average marked out here in black as well. So if we do get this price contraction squeeze, I suppose we could let's just there we are. I'm just going to draw it on the chart here, just for reference purposes. Makes it a lot easier. So we've got a price contraction squeeze just there. And we're going to change the color here to red. And there we are. There we go. So this is our price contraction squeeze here. Just bear with me a second. There we go. Is it a little bit? Let's just bear with me. And yeah, that should work. Now, so as I was saying here, potential price contraction squeeze. We've had a move upwards. We've found resistance. We've found resistance again. And I've put in this trend line just for the price contraction squeeze for reference purposes. So if we do hold this 1073 as we come down, we'll likely see a breakout to the upside, breaking above this 111 level. We have to be aware of the 200 period moving average, but a price of contraction squeeze should be a squeeze in volatility and a potential break. If we do get this break to the upside, again, we break it through the 200 period moving average. Prices should head up towards that 1160. We'll see whether 1160 holds, whether we do see sell side momentum come back into the market for a possible retest of the 111 level. If we do see the volatility bringing us breaking through this 1160 level, we are looking for price head towards that 1215, possibly 1252. But we do have to be aware that 1215 may come into focus, coupled with the 400 period moving average marked out here in black. That's pretty much what I'm expecting if we do see a further upside continuation and a breakout from this price volatility, from this price squeeze here. If, however, we do see the breakdown from where we are at present, from this 111 level, if we're not able to hold it as support and we're not able to hold, we'll see our price react around 1073. If we're not able to hold 1073, we are looking for further downside continuation. Further downside continuation from 1073, we'll look at our most recent swing low in the market in around this 1020 level. If we do break down from 1020, we do have to be aware of the 110 level. 110, maybe a psychological level. We may see potential buy side momentum come back into the market from this 110 level. If, however, we do see a further breakdown from this 110, we are looking to target 109.50. Can't anticipate prices moving more than, say, that 150 pips it would take to get down to 109.50. But if we do have sufficient market volatility, the very next level that we are looking at here on the US dollar Japanese yen is in around this 108.80, and these levels are marked out in red, so they are strong levels that I would expect to see a potential bounce in the market from. And with that said, that pretty much covers everything in regards to US dollar Japanese yen. Thanks for watching.